Hello and warmly welcome, great minds, to Scamper IT services and hope all is well. Alright, so inside these tutorials, I'm going to walk with you how to record more than 30 minutes on your WhatsApp status. Alright, so these tutorials is here to help the business consultants among us and the marketers among us who wish to record more than 30 seconds but um don't have the chance to do so. This tutorials is here to help you. So irrespective of the kind of WhatsApp you are using. Alright, so I'm having all the three WhatsApp here. Alright, so I'm going to use this. You can use the WA or the normal WhatsApp, but here I'm going to use this WhatsApp. Alright, so this is my front view. Please listen to this. Please listen to this. All right, what you are going to do here to achieve that aim is one, you must record that voice on your in your chat. Okay, let's say your personal chat. All right, so you can go to your contact section. You see we have you there. Okay, so this is a place where you can record some info and put it there. Okay, record an info and put it there. So you record whatever you want to put on your status and drop it here. Okay, and drop it here. So whatever you want to put on your status, just record and drop it there. All right, so once you've recorded and drop it there, the next move is we are going to share. So I recorded 1 minute 03 seconds audio, and it's nothing because I'm recording this for the sake of tutorials, no audio, no voice. All right, so I will remove it from my status right after these tutorials. Okay, so you just tap on it, press hold. Okay, press hold. All right, so when you press hold, please don't click on the reaction. Okay, because we are not reacting, that's not why we are here, but we are going to share onto our WhatsApp status. So you see we have the share here. Okay, so this is the share. This thing over here is the reply. Okay, so this is the share. All right, where I've duplicated. Okay, so you tap on the share button, you will see that we have forwarded to. All right, so this thing happens to each and everyone here. Okay, each and everyone here. All right, this thing happens to each and everyone here. So we know how to share contact, we know how to share message, we know how to share information. So this is what is going to appear. Okay, so you just take your time as it load. All right, sure. So once it's in like this, what you are going to doing is to tap here. Okay, the share. Okay, so once you tap on it, you will see we have the send button down here. Okay, this time around it's going to appear down here. So just tap on it. If you tap on it, it's going to taking you to your back to your chat. Okay, so let me tap on it, and here we are. Okay, so let's go to WhatsApp. Before then, let me turn on my mobile data so that it can proceed. Okay, so you see uh it's loading. Okay, it's loading. So here is it. So we wait a while as it upload. Okay, as it upload, because uh we are doing this because of these tutorials. Okay, so let me just tell you this. If you record the voice note and you try to send your other number, and you want to use your other number to upload it on your start by forwarding it back, it won't work. Okay, it won't work. This process works when you just record the thing. Okay, so right there you recorded it, right there you are to send. Okay, so you see we have just now, it means that our status is in. Okay, so it says 10. So you see I've played some. Okay, it's more than 30 seconds. But at the normal instance you are to record only 30 seconds. Okay, at the normal instance you are to record only 30 seconds. So I'm going to delete this for the sake of these tutorials. I made this. Thank you all guys for coming through. But to be a legend, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell to be alarmed whenever we drop new videos, and most importantly, exciting videos like this. Thank you all guys for coming through. This is Campo IT Services, and I humbly welcome and appreciate my subscribers. I'm out.